In this video, I will show you how to buy and sell crypto with OKX P2P trading. Before I do so, this is Friday Gist, and on this channel, we will do about cryptocurrency and how you can make money from it. If this topic interests you, please do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So in this video, I will show you how to buy and sell crypto with OKX P2P trading. First, I'm going to show you how you can sell your crypto. Then afterwards, I'll show you how to buy crypto. The first thing you should do if you want to sell your crypto is for you to hit on the asset and ensure the cryptocurrency you want to sell is in your funding wallet. As you can see right here, if I want to sell my USDT, you can see I have 27 USDT, which is worth $27, and that 27 USDT is in my funding wallet. That's why you can see it right here, $427. Then come to this place that say the OKS, then hit on this place that say the P2P trading. So on the P2P trading, we have the buy and we have the sell. You can see it right here. We have the buy, we have the sell. You get. So right now I'm showing you how to sell. So just hit on the place that says sell. Then you can select the coins, the crypto coin or the cryptocurrency you want to sell. You get there are four eligible coins that you can sell on OKX P2P, which is the USDT, USDC, BTC and Ethereum. So for this, I'm making use of USDT as an example. So on this place, type the amount of coin you want to sell. You get the amount you want to sell, so that they are going to bring up people that are able to buy that amount. You understand? So if I want to sell 10 USDT, I just type in 10 USDT on this page and hit on the enter. So it's going to bring up people that are willing to buy from 10 USDT and above. You can see this particular one is just ready to buy from 10 USDT, which worth 10,000 naira to 62,000 naira. You get. So, and as you can see, the people with the highest price, you get, able to buy at the higher price in the topmost. As you can see, this guy is to buy at 1,265.30, and you to buy at 1,265, which is in the lower. You get. See, we're able to buy at the higher, you get, with the high price and in the top. So let's say for this guy to do the just hit on the sell. You get. So once it's on the sell, it's going to pick up the sell page, and for you that this is the first time you're using OKX P2P, you're going to see a page where they ask you to put your payment information. It's very simple. You just tap on it, put your payment information. Payment information is your bank name, your account number, and your account name. You get. And please ensure that the name you're providing as your account name should be the name you use in registry for OKX. So on this page, type the amount of USDT you want to sell. You get. In this example, we're selling 10 USDT. Once I've done that, I now hit on sell USDT with 0 fees. Automatically, it's going to sell the USDT for you. You understand? It's going to sell the USDT. It's going to bring up a sell option. It's going to notify the buyer that, oh, this person wants to sell 10 USDT. So the person is going to send you the money. You get. Ensure you save the money first in your account. Then before you now come to this place and say the order, you now come to this order, you now release the crypto. These things are quite easy to do. You understand? So once you have initiate the sell order, you get, your flow the prompt is quite easy. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, come to this place that say buy on the OKX app. On this buy section, then you can check here to choose which of the coin you want to buy. Again, let's use USDT for example. So yeah, on this place, type in the amount of USDT you want to buy. If you want to buy 1,000 naira USDT, get, just tap on it on this place, hit on the enter. As you can see that people don't want to sell 100,000 worth of USDT, get, just hit on the buy. Once you hit on the buy, it's going to be got a page where they're going to on this place. First thing, you can type on the quantity to type the exact amount of USDT you want to buy, which is 100 USDT. You get. So hit on buy with 0 fees. Once you do so, okay, let's put this at 100,000. You know, when I search this, I search with 100,000 naira. So they brought up this guy for me. So let's click with buy with 0 fees. When you do so, you have to. So when you type with buy with 0 fees, bring up this page, right? As you can see right here, this is the. When you go this page, this is just a summary of what you want to do. You want to buy at 1,272 naira. You're buying 8 USDT, which is worth 100,000 naira. Just click on get payment details. On this page, you go to bring out the person's account name. You can see the person's account name, person's account number. Once I've done that, then hit on I have paid. Once you have I have paid, person will confirm the money. If you actually sent the money, the person will release the crypto access for the USDT for you. It's very easy. So guys, this is it for this video. If you find it helpful, do well to like this video, leave a comment for me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell icon. Peace out.